Hawkseye Sound TV back with you. So early morning now. What was it, Thursday morning? So it's nice and early. So wanted to get ready and put the interior in. And this is just test fit again because I got other things I need to put in too on the car. So I'll give you guys an update on actually what it looks like inside the car now. So here we go. So that's all the interior put in. I just got to put those quarters up and then the trim. But otherwise, it is all done. It's in. Yeah, and I mean, I just got to screw this stuff in. It's just screws. You know, the seat belts. No big deal. That's just screws. But that's pretty much it on the 74 Impala. Now, this is actually going to be for a while, so let you guys see. Hold on a sec. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see too good inside. Just trying to show. But that's pretty much it. Just wanted to update this damn car. You know, it's been with me forever, so that's pretty much it, you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Hawkseye Sound TV. Well, it's the 74. You know, nice brand new interior. So that's it. Hawkseye Sound TV. Talk to you guys later.